This place is a mess right now. This is where I work. I've been caught up so much lately, and I think I have a meeting at 3 too, so I have to reschedule it. First of all, I'm gonna clean all of this. Yep, so it's pretty clean, I guess, and yep, I'm here done with the first thing in my list. Okay, cleaning my room was not in the list. Jordan Peterson would be so angry. Clean your goddamn room. It's not really the start of the day because it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and yep, I'm starting real late. Like, this is real late, but I've been so caught up lately, and so it took me some time for that. And now I'm finally free at 3 p.m. And here are the other things I need to do today. Usually I do this in Google Task, but I decided to do it in paper today, as I'm recording from my phone, and I just wanted to do it in paper because I wanted to clean my mind. Anyways, so I scheduled to upload the video that I've recorded and edited, which took a long time to get rendered. Anyways, second thing is I have to register my domain for my creative agency that I'm starting soon. Then I have to read 12 rules for life, and I have learned to solve this Rubik's cube. I'm 17 and I didn't know how to solve a Rubik's cube until a month ago. So I learned this recently and I want to finish. Let's actually do it right now. Yeah, so it takes me 5 minutes. I think I did this one in less than 2 minutes, I think. Yeah, but I think I need to skip a lot of the step because first I make the daisy, then I make the plus sign, and it's a long process that I follow. And I really think I can cut down some steps. That will be really good. Other things that I have to do today is watch Russian Revolution. It's a really good show. I have to watch Dune. I started watching Dune, and I think I'm halfway through, and I have to complete that. And then I have to write some good video scripts for like 5 to 10 videos that I have in my mind. So I need to script them down. And I'm planning to learn web development. I have learned this before when I'm in 7th grade, but yeah, I forgot a lot of stuff. So I'm planning to relearn, I should say, web development. And there's this very great friend of mine who has shared some really good resources. So I have to go through them. So this is basically the agenda for me. But today I have, I think, doable things on my plate. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm done cleaning my room, which was I forgot to put on the list. But yeah, that was a major part for today. It's 3:30. I got the room cleaned and 30 minutes. The bed is still not that clean that I want it to be, but it goes like that. Now I have to schedule upload this video that I've been planning to upload for 2 days. Yeah, so let's do that. It's freaking cold out here, and I've recorded and uploaded the video. It's been scheduled, so yep, let's move to the next task. But before that, I have to go out and buy some stuff. I have to buy a warm light and all the things. So yep, let's see into that. So we brought this new light. It's a warm reading light, and it's looking super cool here. And this is the night setup here. It's really cool, man. I really want to play guitar and read books. After grabbing evening snacks, I decided to study for my IP MAT examinations, which will be coming in May of this year. So I studied that a little bit. Then I prepped for my CUCT exam, which is also coming up this May. And then after taking a short break, I decided to finally read chapter 10 of Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life, which I have been procrastinating on for a month. Now, I don't take this much time for reading a book. Usually, the time period for me for reading an average book is 1 or 2 weeks, but I took this much long for reading 12 Rules for Life because it is a great book. After going through all these rules, one cannot say if your life will be better, but at least you won't be making it worse. Now that I'm almost done with reading this book, I can say that the knowledge in this book was one of that which you hence one in a lifetime. It's a complete different perspective switch, and it certainly is one of those books which I would love to go back to. After reading for almost 1 hour and taking a short break, I decided to solve the cube to crack up my crank. I remember the day when I first started learning the cube, and I remember telling myself, you are never gonna do it. But today I can solve it within 2 or 3 minutes, and I know that's not too much, but it's good. Then again, after grabbing my evening snacks, at approximately 7 pm, I started studying for my 12th board examinations that will be coming up in March somehow. Then after having a light dinner, at approximately 11 pm, I tuned into the Russian Revolution that I had left over in the middle, and then I scrolled some social media and went to sleep. And yep, it's the end of a productive day in my life. Thank you so much for watching this far, and I really appreciate that.